run me over. Jesus Christ. There we are at the Noodle Bar.
I'd like to make a video.
Choose.
But I will make noodle. I will pay you. Okay.
We'll just start the video. Okay. So there we got Chu at the Noodle Bar. She's about to cook the dinner. So we're on Seminyak Beach now. She's cooking away. It's all in.
Hello, you like one noodle? One noodle?
One noodle. Come to Seminyak Beach. Best noodle bar on the beach.
Oh.
Yeah, a bit longer.
She's took over, she's cooking now. She's the one. She's running there.
Where's the plate? Where's the plate? The plate's on the floor there.
On the floor, on the floor.
No, they're dirty.
No.
No, they're dirty. Where's the bowl? Where's the bowl? Oh, there's the bowl. Clean bowls there, look. She's working in Bali. She's a busy lady.
Some busy Chu.
What you wanted to do tonight. Good job. Come on, Chu.
She's not good, not as good as them.
Keep them legs short.
Yeah.
Yeah, keep them legs short, we can see you bloody shine now.
She chucked it away. Yay! We made it that time. Okay, what's going on here?
Yeah, he'll take the hot noodle.
Bit of pork. No fish ball.
One tofu. Crispy tofu.
Yeah, that's good. So Seminyak Beach, where the best noodles are.
We're joking.
My God, you're bloody slow.
Get the sauce. Oh my God!
Yay! There we are. There we go.
Yeah, give it to the guy here.
Yeah, he's gonna eat it. He's gonna eat it. There we go. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Now say how yummy it is. Come on.
No.
No, for you. For you. You eat. Yeah. Tell them how good it is. Come on. Tell them how good.
Right, how much you paying?
Come on,
Oh, would you?
have a try. Oh,
Nice.
Very good, yeah? Wow. You got it from the Balinese people. That is perfect meal.
Mimi, what I mean?
Perfect meal. Tasty, true, tasty.
Really nice. Hello.
Oh, your beard's gone. No matter. Dude, that's enough. There we are on the beach now. Getting corn on the cob.
No, I'll probably get barley belly. No, I've got to be careful. What is that? Butter, put butter on then, yeah. How much?
Butter on it.
Yeah. We have one to share.
How much you say? 30? Yeah, David.
Yeah. Do you want one?
I don't want
it, Mum. Do you want one?
No, I don't want one. Cob.
Chu, you want cock? Yeah, can we have?
Okay.
Yeah, butter, Chu.
Butter and Chu. Butter and Chu. Ooh, yummy. Hot, yummy. Ooh, yummy.
Naughty girl.
Hopefully the GoPro had got all that on the noodle bar because it was a bit low down. I've got a double tripod here holding a GoPro and my phone. Phone for the Tik Tok and a GoPro for the YouTube. Hopefully we've managed it. I didn't realise the GoPro was a bit loose.
Yes, okay. Very hot, very hot.
Very hot.
Very hot. Very hot.
Corn on the cob, cooked on the charcoals here on the beach.
Yes, why are corn on the cob?